Hello, it's Tracey Lee here. I have another unboxing. This one is from an Australian designer and leather maker. Her name is Helen and she's from HamoniBby. I'll leave some details. This is the very first one I've ever ordered from her. So it'll be a surprise for me too. So I'm opening it up. I'm a bit excited because her work looks beautiful online. There's not much online at the moment. I believe that she makes them all herself. So she's Brisbane based in Queensland. Oh, that looks pretty. So we'll get into it and see what it looks like. It's an A5 size, and this is actually for my husband. So I have my chic sparrows. My husband also has a chic sparrow, but he wants another one because he does a lot of drawing and everything like that. So he wanted one like that. Oh, this is beautiful. This is very similar. Bag, feel, everything to the chic sparrow. It's a beautiful bag. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. Oh, that's gorgeous. I don't know if you can see that. That's her HamoniBby. It's a beautiful orange, like a burnt orange. And it's a nice, thick leather. Or a bit like the Maverick for the chic sparrow people. Oh, she's put a little booklet in there. Oh, that's beautiful. A little note, a little thank you note. Let's see what that is. Oh, and just letting me know how it's all made. So it's vegetable tan leather, which has been handmade with love and care. And then some notes on how to look after it. Oh, so that's her details there. So she's not on YouTube. I tried looking for her on YouTube and I couldn't find her. So that's the details of her there. So it's got pockets at the side. And it feels nice inside too. It's like it's rough, but not overly rough. It's almost like a suede. Just put a nice little booklet in there. Oh, that was nice of her to do that. I'll just take that out so you can see. So it's got the 4 elastics. It's got pen loop on the inside. And another big pocket there. Oh, it's got a beautiful leather smell. Oh, that smells good. That smells like Aussie leather. That's beautiful. It's got a little bit of sewing tracks at the side there that you can see, but I don't mind that. Once it gets worn in, you're not even going to see that. But the stitching's beautiful. It's got beautiful stitching all the way around it. And the thickness of it, it's a good thickness. This is my Maverick. It's not as thick as the Maverick, but it is a nice thickness in the leather. But I imagine if it was rolled, oh, it'd have all the nice, I reckon you could put some really nice wrinkles in that. Oh, I want to do it, but it's for my husband, so I can't. I'll have to let him do it. It's got a nice marking there, a nice sort of bruising in the skin, but it's beautiful. It's a really beautiful colour. I love it. And the inside's gorgeous. I love these pockets. I love that. Because this will be used as an artist art book. So he'll put his watercolors and sketches and everything in that one. But that's beautiful. I'm hoping that she's going to be at the Planners Market in Brisbane on the weekend. So if she is, I wouldn't mind having a look at a few more things that she's got in there. So that's really nice. That's a beautiful leather. It's a bit softer than the Maverick and a little bit thinner than the Maverick, but it's sturdy like a Maverick, if that helps. Because I know the Chic Sparrow is more the more people have that, and that's the only ones I've really got to go off. So this is my creme, which is beautiful and soft, which I just love. But this is gorgeous. I'm really excited. Found an Aussie that can do beautiful journals, and at a fraction of the price too, which is unbelievable. It's beautiful. I might just put inside just to see what it looks like with a few things inside of it, just to give an idea. Because it is for an A5. And I'll just put that little booklet in that she's given us as well. Just this. Oh yeah, you could really chunk that out. That could fit quite a bit in there. That's beautiful. That's really beautiful. Oh, I'm jealous. I want one now. Oh, that's really lovely. So, Helen at HamoniBby, I'm very impressed. It feels beautiful in the hand. It's nice and sturdy. It would take a lot of beating about in and out of a bag or back of the Jeep. So I think my husband would be very happy with that. And he did say I could open it up, so he's not going to be upset that I've opened it up and shown everyone, because if it was up to him, you wouldn't get to see it. So, yep, love it. So hopefully I'll be doing a few more videos of her stuff, because it is beautiful, and it fits my journals in there nicely too. So yeah, that's it. So hopefully those details were enough. If not, I'll put some on the bottom. But yeah, that's an Aussie designer. Okay, thank you for watching and spending the time. Thanks guys. Bye.